friends, this is one of the famous attractions in Tashkent called Magic City. Very interesting for the kids to enjoy it. We went evening at the time of sunset. The entrance is free. However, for the shows like whichever you want, zip lining or any other attractions you want to experience, you have to pay on the spot, ranging from 30,000 soums to 50,000 soums. The whole place excursion might take around 2 to 3 hours. There are a lot of shopping attractions. Many brands are available. However, we didn't go for the shopping stuff. Beautiful sunset. Since it's January, it's pretty cold, around 4 degrees, I believe it was. So this was an attraction inside Egyptian room, showing how the archaeological findings were done for the children to experience in their hands. చిన్నపిల్లలు చాలా బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తూ ఉండేవారు అక్కడ. అప్పట్లో ఎలాగా పాత స్కల్ప్చర్స్ అవి దొరికాయి అనుకున్నాం అనే దాని మీద చిన్న డీటెయిల్డ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్స్. తర్వాత ఇది స్పేస్ రూమ్ అనమాట, లైక్ ఆస్ట్రోనాట్స్ showing a zero gravity room.
Nice. This is the world's tallest man, the spring lady.
Or any unusual.
Daddy, when they come here, they realize that there's Pepsi is here.
Yeah, it was made out of the Pepsi can.
Whoa!
This we didn't see. Oh my God! It looks like
It's like an underground thingy.
no, it's a glass reflection.
I know, but it looks like it's another thing.
Reflections.
Yeah.
Daddy, can you see the mirror there?
Yeah. Very powerful.
So like this is like this. If you go forward, it's like action.
Okay, come wait in this room, friend. Go first, quick.
Daddy will actually do it.
You feel as if you're falling. Yes, you're left.
We're gonna die!
Solution. Very funny. It's been love to experience this, I believe.
We were going to
Oh
die.
my God. You felt as if seriously. Once again, go.
Okay, last time. We have to go there.
Keep going. Don't look back. Keep going. Keep going. Sorry, keep going. Oh my God, I feel like falling. Oh my God.
Could invoke a fat body representation. Pepsi cans dress. Spider-Man hanging. Eiffel Tower and the Tashkent TV Tower comparison of the heights.
Now go put your face little back. Slowly go back, 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 back. Yes. Back, 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 back. And now come front again. Slowly come front. Come front, come front, come front. Inconcho, 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 inconcho. There is a straight rod. How can you pass the straight rod through this curve? Is it possible? Yes, Vikshita will show us.
India also has such an exhibition in the Mokshamuna Vishweshwaraya Science Exhibition at Bangalore.
Daddy wants to come.
From the HAC, you can experience
What do you do here?
ಅದೇ ಬಾಲ್ ಅಂತೆ
like 30,000 students on the
If the ball falls in that hole, you get some gift.
What is this ass?
You have to shoot them or catch them, something like that.
Ass.
beautiful view.
Come on, catch.
Small ducklings kicked in there was a coin with a number. So depending on the number, you may get to win a prize at the end.
So, sure, no?
No. I got 2 and 1. I can get 3.
Very beautiful sunset view. This was again the balloons bursting in space. We tried 3 shots out of 4. You should be able to get the balloon to get it. Good job.
Yes, 3.
Happy to find time to relax with my daughter after exciting and exhausting tour. We tried to have some food there after capturing some beautiful sunset photos. The lighting was really pretty
Stop
impressive.
recording me. That is the exit.
Yes.
Stop.
We tried to have some food. After finishing the Magic City, we returned back to the hotel. Thanks for watching. Do try to mention your comments and what do you expect. Though I'm not an experienced vlogger, I'm a very amateur person trying to do something. Thanks for watching.